Scott Boda here with Steeda Autosports to talk to you about a new and exciting Ford Explorer component to add to our Steeda Stop the Hop kits, our Steeda Vertical Link inserts. So, as we learned with the 2015 and newer Mustangs, the vertical link was a key component in reducing wheel hop. Well, when we looked at the Explorer vertical link, you have this really long shaft here that connects with a through bolt. We looked at some Billet 6061 designs, and quite frankly, the cost was going to be really expensive. Then we looked at the bushings. The bushings are really small and tight, and they're actually pretty stiff. So that led us to the Billet insert. All this is gonna do is slide right in here. We're gonna through bolt it from the back. We give you premium flanged hardware, and it's going to stop the deflection in this vertical link. Installation's pretty easy. You have your arrow indicating which side is up on the vehicle. You slide it in there. You're gonna then start to thread in these two bolts. Now before you get these completely tight, you're gonna want to go around to the back end and enter in these 6mm flange bolts. So we're gonna pull it in tight, and then we're gonna compress the entire assembly to keep that deflection to an absolute minimum. And with holding on the back side, because these are flanged nylon locking nuts, that'll keep the bolt in place. Torque it down and you're good to go. Now what the vertical link does is it travels up and down in a vertical plane throughout your suspension movement. As you start adding horsepower to your Explorer, things start deflecting. As you see, the rear end, our Steeda diff brace, our subframe inserts, the entire subframe moving. This is the next logical step. Let's take the deflection out of the vertical link so that you can get more horsepower to the rear tires. To really show you the difference in the deflection on this, let's take it out to the shop and show you the difference before and after. To start this test, we're gonna start at 30 foot-pounds of torque. Let's see what happens with a factory vertical link. Okay. Deflected a little bit there with the body. Now, crank that up to 40 foot-pounds. Oh, looks like the body started to form there at 40 foot-pounds. Do another click. Ah, you can see it looks like we've already permanently changed the way this looks. We got another one, so we'll go up to 50 foot-pounds of torque. Ooh. It's definitely not straight anymore. We plan to take them both up to 60, so let's go up to 60. 60 foot-pounds. Oh, wow. That's not a happy vertical link. So we'll start the test the exact same way. We're gonna start at 30 foot-pounds of torque. So that's 30, you see the bushings deflecting, but the body really isn't moving. Now, we'll do it like we did the other, and we'll put it up to 40 foot-pounds. All right, let's go a little higher. 50 foot-pounds. It's kind of maxing the bushings out a little bit, but that's for grins. We'll go up to 60. You see the body still isn't deflecting. It's really just only in that factory bushing. So as you can see, a huge difference between the two. So we manufacture this vertical insert right here in Valdosta, Georgia. Made out of premium 6061 T6 aluminum. We machine this on the mill, and like I said, zinc plated, flanged, nylock locking hardware to make sure it's as durable as it gets. So you've already got our diff brace, and then you've added the subframe bushing reinforcement kit. This is the next logical step in reducing wheel hop on your Ford Explorer. Simple install, not very expensive, something you could do on your garage floor in literally about 30 minutes. So as we mentioned, this thing is a limited lifetime warranty. It's available right here at Steeda.com. If you like what you saw, hit like, subscribe, follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. And remember, at the end of the day, Steeda, where speed matters.